Okay, guys. So, okay, we got some band names over here requested by some of you guys, and we got one by Andrew. Stop. Okay, so we got. Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, so we got Avant-Garde by Evan. Oh my God, Andrew! Public Display of Addiction by Evan. Public Display of Addiction by Evan. Oh my God! Andrew, stop! Stop! Phantom X by Evan. Homesick by Rose. City of Bones. Paper Town. 10th Grade Bleeds. Requested by Jupiter. Andrew, can you please stop? Requested by Jupiter. Outrageous Kings or Queens. Hey, stop. Outrageous Kings or Queens. Requested by JD. Or this. Don't kill me, please.